Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we will see about the ordering foods in Amharic. Ordering foods in Amharic. So how we can order a food in Amharic. How we can order a food in Amharic. So let's see one by one. So the basic conversation is ordering the food. So before the ordering the food, so you have to say greeting. You have to say greeting. So you can say greeting like hello. Hello, it means in Amharic salam. Hello means in Amharic salam. Salam, hi. Or you can say hi. Or you can say hello, salam, salam. Hello means in Amharic salam, salam. Hello means in Amharic salam. So asking for the menu. So if you want to say you want to say the or you want to watch the foods in the menu, so you can ask the menu. So you can ask like can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? So this means in Amharic menu ማየት እችላለሁ menu ማየት እችላለሁ menu ማየት እችላለሁ. And ordering food. So if you want to order a food, like I would like to order food, so this means in Amharic ምግብ ማዘዝ እፈልጋለሁ ምግብ ማዘዝ እፈልጋለሁ. So you can say in Amharic ምግብ ማዘዝ እፈልጋለሁ. And choosing food from the menu. If you want to choose the foods, so you can say like I would like እንጀራ and ዶሮ ወጥ. So you can say this in Amharic እንጀራ እና ዶሮ ወጥ እፈልጋለሁ እንጀራ እና ዶሮ ወጥ እፈልጋለሁ. እንጀራ it is እንጀራ and ዶሮ ወጥ እፈልጋለሁ. እንጀራ እና ዶሮ ወጥ እፈልጋለሁ. እንጀራ እና ዶሮ ወጥ እፈልጋለሁ. Asking about food like what do you recommend? So if you want to ask the waiter what do you recommend the food? For me? So you can say this in Amharic ምን ትመክራለህ? or ምን ትመክራለህ for a boy, ምን ትመክሪያለሽ for a girl. And asking for price. So if you want to say like how much is this? So this means in Amharic ይህ ስንት ነው? So you want to ask like the price of that thing. So you can ask in Amharic ይህ ስንት ነው? And ordering drinks. So if you want to order like I would like water or juice. So you can say this in Amharic ውሃ ወይም ጭማቂ እፈልጋለሁ. ውሃ ወይም ጭማቂ እፈልጋለሁ. ውሃ or ጭማቂ እፈልጋለሁ. ውሃ ወይም it's water means ውሃ and juice means ጭማቂ. So ውሃ ወይም ጭማቂ እፈልጋለሁ. And asking for more. So if you want to ask like can I have more እንጀራ? So you can say this in Amharic ተጨማሪ እንጀራ እባክህ. So you can ask like this in Amharic ተጨማሪ እንጀራ እባክህ. So you want to saying like thank you. So you can say in Amharic አመሰግናለሁ. And asking for the bill. So to pay for the meal. So you want to ask the bill. So you can say in Amharic can I have the bill please? So if you want to say can I have the bill please? So you can say this in Amharic ሂሳቡን እባክህ. So if you want to ask the bill for the meal, so can I have the bill please? So this means in Amharic ሂሳቡን እባክህ. And so this is the useful food vocabularies like food, it means in Amharic ምግብ. Food means ምግብ. And water means ውሃ. And bread means ዳቦ. in Amharic ዳቦ. And meat means in Amharic ስጋ. ስጋ. And chicken means in Amharic ዶሮ. Chicken means in Amharic ዶሮ. And juice it means in Amharic ጭማቂ. ጭማቂ. And coffee it means in Amharic Buna. Coffee means in Amharic. Buna. So let's see the full conversation examples in the words in conversation. So for example, if you are customer and you want to see the menu, so you can say like, hello, can I see the menu? Hello, can I see the menu? So this means in Amharic, ሰላም ሜኑ ማየት እችላለሁ። ሰላም ሜኑ ማየት እችላለሁ. Then the waiter responds for you, yes. The waiter responds for you, yes. So this means in Amharic, እሺ. This means in Amharic, እሺ. And the customer, like, so if you are the customer, then you want to say like, I would like እንጀራ and meat. I would like እንጀራ and meat. So this means in Amharic, እንጀራ እና ስጋ እፈልጋለሁ. እንጀራ እና ስጋ እፈልጋለሁ. እንጀራ እና ስጋ እፈልጋለሁ. So then the waiter responds for you, anything to drink, anything to drink. So this means in Amharic, ሚጠጣስ ምን ይፈልጋሉ? ሚጠጣስ ምን ይፈልጋሉ? ሚጠጣስ ምን ይፈልጋሉ? Then so you are the customer and you say like, yes, water please. Yes, water please. So this means in Amharic, አዎ ውሃ እባክህ. አዎ ውሃ እባክህ. Then the waiter, then you ask again, can I have the bill? Can I have the bill? So this means in Amharic, ሂሳቡን እባክህ. ሂሳቡን እባክህ. So bill means it is ሂሳብ. Then ሂሳቡን እባክህ. Can I have the bill? This means in Amharic, ሂሳቡን እባክህ. ሂሳቡን እባክህ. ሂሳቡን እባክህ. Then the waiter, he is the bill. Here is the bill. So this means in Amharic, ይኸው ሂሳቡ. ይኸው ሂሳቡ. ይኸው ሂሳቡ. So if you want to thank you, so you can say in Amharic, አመሰግናለሁ. 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 So this is all about the or how we order the food. So thanks for watching my videos. I think it's easy. So it is important for you when you are engaging or involving in the restaurants or in the cafe. So you can use these words to ordering the foods and to asking the bills and to asking for the menu. So this is all about today's lesson. So it's easy how we can ordering the foods in Amharic. So thanks for watching my video. See you to another video. Bye.